Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Pixieset with Squarespace. So, photographs and creative needs a stunning portfolio and seamless client experience too. But which one should you choose? So let's break it down. If you talk about Squarespace, if you start from Squarespace, it is an all-in-one website builder with beautiful templates and an easy drag and drop editor. It offers more design, flexibility, and customizable platelets with advanced styling. If you talk about SEO and growth, it is better for that, and it has also a built-in blogging and marketing tool to help you rank all the Google. If you talk about pricing of this of Squarespace, it it offers free plan, and basically it has a paid plan which starts at around $16 per month. And if you need a full featured website with e-commerce, Squarespace is definitely worth it. Now, talking about Pixieset, Pixieset is basically an is designed for photographers, making client galleries, proofing, and digital download effortlessly. It is more focused on layout, customizable is limited, and branding control is a key. And if you talk about SEO and growth, it is known that it focuses more on showcasing and delivering images. So SEO features are more limited on Pixieset. And about the pricing, it charges around $8 per month for all the advanced features, but in the start, the basic plan is free. So if you want to compare both of them, and if you're a photographer who needs a client proofing system, Pixieset is best for you. But if you want a full design and SEO website, Squarespace is a better choice. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.